Welcome students. Today we are going to talk about the chapter Heritage of India, Social Science 10th Standard, Gujarat Board, first chapter. Let's have an introduction to India. India is a small country in a continent of Asia. India is a land which consists 2.4% of world's total land. India is a land of Sujalam and Sufalam. India is a land of ancient culture, ancient Indian scriptures. Culture includes some total habits, values, ethics of the life. Ancient Indian scriptures include Vishnu Puran, Shiv Puran, Bhagavad Gita, etc. India extends from Himalaya in north to the Indian Ocean in south. New descendants are called Indians. Beginning of any auspicious ceremony, that is any of ceremony at our home, whether it is marriage, whether it is puja, anything, Brahman, the Pandit, used to utter this word, Bharat Varsha, Bharat Khand, Jambudvip, Aryavart, etc. Himalaya in the north, sea in the east, west and south forms the gift or the natural boundaries of our country. Many people have come here and mesmerized by the Indian prosperity, who have come to trade, to settle. They have mingled with Indian culture. Due to mutual exchange, many changes have been seen in our culture. In this way, our heritage is transferred from generation to generation and is continuously progressing. Rich and varied heritage of India. First, our motherland has bestowed means blessed, rich and varied heritage to us, so as to the world. That means this is not only for you, but for the whole world. Indian cultures have been trade oriented, peace loving. Third, this is very important. Sat, Chit, and Anand are realized from the Indian culture. Sat means truth, Chit means concentration, Anand means real pleasure. So, when you go yourself with Indian culture, you can have these three components, that is Sat, that is truth, you will come to know the truth. You can concentrate, that is Chit, and Anand means you will have a real pleasure which is away from the materialistic things. Besides this, Indian culture prospered with a mutual exchange of different cultures of other countries which came to India and settled here. For example, we can take about the example of Persians who came to India and gifted India with a varieties of food like sevaiya, faluda. All these are now the part of Indian cuisine. They have accepted the value of non-violence and peace. This is again admired by the world. People right from the beginning of Indus Valley civilization till today have made our country rich and wealthy with their intellectuality, ability, talent and skill. Many scholars, thinkers, artisans, sages, saints, scientists, and historians have contributed to the growth and development of this country. Now we will move to the meaning of culture. Meaning of culture is these points which are very important. Sum total of habits, values, customs, traditions, conduct of lifestyle of man, achieving the highest ideals of mankind at a particular period or time in human history. This is the sum total of habits. Habits are included in our day-to-day life. Values, the things or ethics we believe. Customs are our daily traditions or culture and our conduct of lifestyle. Culture means a way of life. This is very important. It is made up of changes which should change. It should not be fixed. That occurs in public life. Social rules and regulations of different societies. That is, you have to follow the society norms. You cannot reject society norms. That is called culture. Now we will talk about cultural heritage of India. Cultural heritage of India means heritage means valuable gifts from our forefathers. Cultural heritage of India means in Indian history, thousands of years old. We used to speak in a school pledges also. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. Now, what is heritage? Heritage is a gift from motherland to the whole world about mysteries of human life. It is also considered that human life is mysterious. We don't know what happened in a next moment to an individual. Heritage is a valuable gift from our forefather to us. Heritage is again divided into two parts, natural heritage and cultural heritage. Natural heritage includes landscape, rivers, wildlife, vegetation. Cultural heritage includes buildings, stupas, viharas, forts, gates, etc. Natural heritage of India. Let us discuss in detail. Natural heritage is actually a close relationship between environment and human life. It is unique and varied, as it includes mountains, forests, deserts, rivers, plants, creepers, flowers, insects, minerals, animals, everything. We all are considered a children of nature. We get food, fresh air, and dwelling from nature. So we should treat nature with respect and faith. We show this close relation with nature in stories of Panchatantra, which usually consist moral at the end, and Jakata tales, that is Buddhist religion's short stories. Classical and folk music, several rags are based on prahars, that is period of a day. Similarly, Ayurveda, Unani, nature cure are also totally based on nature. In nature, we will go with the first factor, that is landscape. Landscape includes vegetation, minerals, strange birds, mountain peaks, forests, tarai areas, pilgrimage places in Himalaya, which includes Amarnath, Badrinath, Kedarnath, Nanda Devi. Since ancient time, Himalaya has great importance for India. Now we will go to the rivers. Rivers is actually a place where Indian culture has flourished, mainly in two rivers, the Indus and the Ravi. The river like Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Indus, Narmada, Godavari, Krishna are profoundly influenced the people of India. Rivers are the sources of drinking water, domestic use, irrigation, electricity, waterways. Rivers are also a develop, development of clay utensils, plastering, building of houses. River water has made human life beautiful and prosperous. Landscape scenes at dawn, dusk are very fascinating and inspiration for artists. Now we will move to vegetation. Vegetation includes environment lover. It is a proof that we love flowers, shrubs and plants. We Our love for animal and birds are dependent on trees for their food. We usually worship banyan, peepal tree and basil tree. Cereals, pulses, oilseed plants, etc. enrich the life of human. Harde, amla, behinda, aloe vera, ardosi, etc. are medicinal plants. Flowers like rose, lotus, mogra, damaro, sunflowers, champa, juhi, etc. have made human life very beautiful. Thus, social and religious life of India is greatly influenced by the vegetation. Wildlife. India is a nature lover and we are also animal lover culture. Tiger, lion, elephant, rhino, foxes, etc. Many organisms are found and seen in India. Asian lion in the world are found only in Gir forest of Gujarat. Our religious belief has given a status of god and goddesses vehicle to some of the wild animals like tiger, peacock, alligators, eagles, etc. Our national currency is highly valued by having the figure of four lion, horse, and bull. This will you will find now in the old currency. New currency is not having this type of figures anymore. Wildlife reserves are created and laws have been enacted for the protection of their life. Now, cultural heritage. Cultural heritage is a man-made heritage. It is created by human with its tact, wisdom, art and skill. Cultural heritage includes castes and the tribes like Aryan, Shatar, Kushan, Huns, Persians, Turks, Arabs, Mughals, Britishers, French, etc., who have come to India. Indian culture have become rich by exchanging its culture among foreign tribes. The people of India from prehistoric periods have contributed to the people of the world. The art of architect and sculpture are 5,000 years old. For example, Indus Valley civilization. Cultural heritage of India are seen in gods and goddesses, humans, animals, and several toys, as well as sculptures of bearded men and a statue of dancer. One feels self-esteem and pride in our cultural heritage. Look to this bearded man, well shaped person of that period. Further, we feel proud, glad, and also respect for our cultural heritage, like figure of bullock, lion on an inverted lotus of Mayuryan era, statue of Gautam Buddha in meditative form, or Kalakan statue of Jain Tirthankar, the cave of Ellora of Rashtrakuta dynasty. Cultural heritage of India are palaces, buildings, sculptures, stupas, viharas, chaityas, temple, mosques, tombs, forts, and gates. Historical freedoms, places of our freedom movement like Sabarmati Ashram, Dandi, Bardoli, Wardha, Shanti Niketan, Delhi, etc. are also considered the part of cultural heritage. The important discoveries of India are language, script, discovery of zero, mathematics, calendar, astronomy, iron, literature, religion, Yuddha Shastra, chariot, political science, geology, etc.